Hello friends, we will see here how to use graphics inside the C. So I am using Turbo C3 here for creating our C or CPP program. So I am including some header files like standard input output, console input output, and as we use here graphics function, so graphics.h we also include. Now, as we know, the starting point of any program is main function, so we include here main, and inside main I am declaring two variables as gd, integer variables, and initialize gd as detect, gd for graphics driver and gm for graphics mode. Now our regular programs are in text mode. Now we use here graphics modes. So to go to the graphics mode or to convert from text mode to graphics mode, we need to call one function like init graph to initialize the graphics mode. So we use here init graph, and inside init graph there are three parameters. First parameter is address of gd, then second parameter is address of gm, that is graphics mode. First is graphics driver and the path of BGI folder. BGI folder is inside Turbo C3 folder, and if you install Turbo C3 on C drive, then you need to give C drive or whatever your drive is, you need to give TURBOC3 Turbo C3, and inside Turbo C3 there is one BGI folder. So we need to give the path of BGI folder. Your path is you need to give as a third parameter of init graph function. Now we are ready to call the graphics functions as we enter into the graphics mode successfully. Then I am using here circle function to draw circle. Now there are three parameters to circle function. One is the center point. For center we need to give x value and y value, so we need to give two values, x value as x coordinate as 150, y coordinate as 150, and third is the radius. I am giving here 50 pixel as radius, and finally I am closing the program by using getChar function or getCh function. So this is the first program, and if we compile and run the program, we see this is the output. Here this is the center point of our circle. Our origin of that is the x0 value and y0 value is here. Normally we draw the graph and our origin is inside this point, but for screen the origin is at this side, means x value and y value both are 0 at this pixel. So as we increase the x value, we go to the move horizontally like this, and if we increase the y value, we go to the downward. So in this example we give 150, means this distance is 150, means from this x distance is 150, and from upper side we go downward as 150 pixel, as this is the y distance. So this is the center, and 50 pixel is our radius value. If we increase the radius, we see center is the same, but we see some bigger circle. So center decide the location on screen where you want the circle, and radius decides how big it is. So If we increase the radius, I am changing it to 100, then we see the center is same, but we increase the size of circle. If we change the position or location or x value, then horizontally it moves towards the right side. So center decides the location and radius decides its size. Now, like circle, we can draw some other shapes also. I am commenting to this circle and move towards the rectangle. There is another function like rectangle inside the graphics.h. We need to give two diagonal points. I am giving here 100, 100, 1 point, and 200, 200. This is the second point. To draw rectangle, we need to give some diagonal points. Here, this is the 100, 100. From this axis, x distance is 100, y distance is also 100. So this pixel coordinates are 100, 100, and this pixel coordinates are 200, 200. So to draw rectangle, we need to give diagonal points of a rectangle. I am giving this and this point. You can also give this point and this point, but we don't give this point and this point as these are not the diagonal points. So you may go to the incorrect rectangle. I am giving 100, 100 and 200, 100, 200, 200. So the distance are the same. So we see here the square like shape. If we change the any value, like I'm giving next coordinate x coordinate as 300, so distance are different now, and this is the rectangular shape. Now here this is the 200 distance and this is the 100 distance, so we see the rectangular shape here. So there is no any function for square. By using rectangle only, we can draw square as well by adjusting the coordinates. Now this is my point 300 and 200, and this is 100, 100 point, and this is the 300, 200 point. So this distance is 300 and this distance is 200. So I am changing the x coordinate only, so it is showing like rectangular. Now we can draw bar also, or bar means filled rectangle. This is only the borders, but if we draw bar and I am giving the same coordinates as I am giving earlier to rectangle, so same effect is there, but instead of drawing only a rectangle, filled rectangle is shown here. So this is the output. Filling color is white. By default, drawing color and filling color is white. Now if we want to change the color, then we need, here I am commenting on bar and rectangle is on now, and if we change the color, drawing color, there are some color codes. From 0 to 15 you can give the color values. If I am giving one color number, then this is the dark blue, this is drawing color. To set the drawing color, we need to use set color function. If I am using second color, then the color will be changed. Here we can see. Then for third, it is a cyan or blue like color. So by using different color numbers, you can give the color values or change the color of drawing. Then to change the fill color, there is another function, set fill style, and here one pattern value, first parameter is for pattern and second parameter is for color. So I am using one for solid filling. This is the fifth color, that is pink, and solid fill, this is the first pattern. Then if I change the pattern, filling pattern, then and also I am giving the fourth color is the red color. Then I am changing the pattern as well as color. Then if I am using third pattern and sixth color, then I will go to this pattern and also changing the color. So this is about the first example of our computer graphics by using C, where we see how to initialize the graphics mode, then how to set the drawing color, how to set the filling pattern and filling color, and how to draw some circles, rectangles, squares or filled bars. So this is about your first tutorial. In next tutorial we will see how we can fill the another shapes like circle or any random shape. So do it by your own for your practicing, and see you in next tutorial. Thank you.